Good ride?
Yep. Good trail ride.
This section of the driveway doesn't have a culvert pipe, and we get quite a bit of water coming down that gully and from this ditch. And when it really pours, the water just floods over this corner and cuts out this edge. So I've bought this second-hand culvert pipe. So we're going to install that under the road here, and that'll carry away all the rainwater. And maybe put a bit of tin down there to carry the water away further down, and that should stop the edge of the track rutting out. What do you reckon, mate?
Good.
That should work, eh?
Yeah.
What digger are we going to use? Do you think the little mini digger will do that?
Yeah.
Possible, we'll try it. Depends how hard the rock is under here, but we'll have a go. If we hit a big rock, we might have to get the Hitachi, but we'll try with the little one first. So we're just gathering a few big rocks to put around the entrance here, and we'll have to dig a bit of a hole down there, dig a trench through and lay the pipe. That should solve the problem, hopefully. Yeah, because it's not often, it's only once every year or two that we get it so heavy that it goes over the track, but yeah, when it does, it makes a real mess of that edge. So I paid a couple of $100 for this pipe. It's quite a thick-walled, strong one. Like 700 new, so it's a good deal.
Hello!
It's a good pipe, isn't it? How many road workers do you think it would take to put that in, mate? Fulton Hogan workers. Probably about 7, eh? Yeah. And most of them would be standing around just looking in a hole. But I reckon me and the neighbour Kendall can do that in one day.
Yeah.
Oh well, should we go and grab a few more big rocks from further up the road?
Yeah.
And then I think we'll be ready to make a start. Can you start it? What we've got to do is engage that, turn it on. Ready? Try it.
Okay.
Try to start it. No, too hard? Nearly. Oh, there we go. You hold that. And
Okay.
so she starts. Yeah, easy. Alright. There's just so many goats around at the moment. I'm having to tie the dog up, otherwise she bolts off down the hill after them. That's a goodie. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, gotta be a bit careful. Might make a rock fall.
Instead of a waterfall.
Good rock, that one. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, that should do the job. I've got rid of all the sharp rocks on the bottom there, and we have a little bit of fall all the way along. And we've got a good 20 centimetres at this end above the pipe, and probably about 35 at the other end. That should do the job, I think. It is a pretty solid pipe, so I think that'll be plenty.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Too much yet. That should keep the water off the road. We shouldn't have any more problems with it washing out now. That only took about 2.5 hours. That's on a slight downhill slope, so that'll get rid of the water quite nicely, I think. And we've got a nice big catchment area here, so that it's not going to fill up too quickly with leaves and stuff. I wasn't too sure how the little machine would get through that. There was a couple of big rocks in there, so I just had to put the pick on and got through it no problems at all. It was actually a lot easier using this machine to do the job than the big Hitachi, because I could kind of get right up next to the trench and tilt the arm around, whereas with the big Hitachi I would have had to make such a big ditch there to get that pipe in, because it doesn't have a tilting boom. Yeah, brilliant little machine for this sort of thing. Alright guys, thanks for watching, see you next time.